Hi, it's Architect Car Audio in Winchester. This is a 2020 Corsa having reverse camera installed. I'll give you a walk round, show you the camera. There's the camera there, very discreet, can't even see it. I'll get in the car. Got the factory screen. If I now put it into reverse, it comes up and it goes full active guidelines when you turn left and right, so you can see. If you'd like this done to your Corsa, please give us a call, 01962 886 900, or give us an email, drop us an email, sales@acutech.co.uk. Thanks for watching.